Hi everyone, this is Dr. Rice, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the classes that we're going to be taking together this term. These classes are part of a Fast Track English Studies program, FTES, which is a new program that we have here at IVC, which I'm really excited about. So the Fast Track English Studies program is designed to help you move through English. It's designed to help you learn English at a faster pace, to help you learn and use language in a more natural way, and to help you become a more confident communicator in English. So how are we going to do this? Well, the FTES program works a little differently. Our classes are intensive. Each class only lasts 8 weeks. You're going to have the same teacher all term for the first 8 weeks and the second 8 weeks. The skills are integrated. You're evaluated on competencies. And you can use Burlington English as much as you want, and that is a bonus. So how are these courses then different from the traditional courses that we offer? Well, in traditional courses, you're going to take 3 classes. You're going to take a grammar writing class for 16 weeks. You're going to take a listening speaking class for 16 weeks. And you're going to take a reading class if you're in levels 3, 4, or 5. You'll have at least 2 teachers in traditional classes, one for grammar, one for listening, and then you'll have a 3rd teacher for reading. In the FTES program, it's a little different. Class 1, we do focus on listening and speaking, but it's 8 weeks, it's intensive, and the skills are integrated. In Class 2, we do focus a little bit more on grammar and writing. But again, the classes are 8 weeks, they are intensive, and the skills are integrated. If you're in levels 3, 4, and 5, you'll also be taking a 16-week reading class. For this, you're going to have one teacher. You're going to have one teacher for Class 1 and 2, and of course, a teacher for your reading class. A second way these courses are different is integration. FTES program courses focus on integrated skills. This means you're going to be learning reading, writing, listening, speaking, grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation all at the same time, which is really how people use English anyway, and how they use any language. So it's an approach that makes sense. It's also different because we have Burlington English. Burlington English allows for practical applications. You're going to talk about renting a house, or you're going to talk about the environment, or how you invent something, or how you advertise something. Second, the skills in Burlington English are integrated. This means that you're going to practice grammar and reading, grammar and writing, vocabulary and pronunciation, pronunciation and reading, grammar and pronunciation and vocabulary and writing. Everything goes all together. Third, you have access 24/7. Once you're in Burlington, you're in Burlington. If you want to practice at 3 a.m., you can practice at 3 a.m. If you want to practice Monday, Tuesday, and Saturday, you can practice Monday, Tuesday, and Saturday. It's up to you. You also get repeated practice. If you don't like your score or you find something that's kind of difficult for you, go back. And you can do it until you get it right. There's no penalty. I'm not looking for you to be 100% perfect in Burlington. I'm looking for you to do your work, because practice is what's going to help you achieve. Another way that the FTES course is different from traditional courses is grading. In the traditional course, you receive grades based on your work and your tests. In our FTES courses, we focus on competency. Competency is a more clear indication of what you can and cannot do on a regular basis in English. Why are competencies important? Well, it's pretty easy. Grades tell me what you can do today, and maybe you get an A on that test. But can you remember how to do it tomorrow? And can you remember to do it when you have to, like when you're turning in a writing assignment or when you're on a job interview? When you have competencies, it focuses on what you can do, not just what you've studied for a test. So then what happens after our first week 8 weeks of classes? Well, first, you're being evaluated for competencies. So I'm going to be looking at what you can do consistently in all the skills. If your work shows that you've reached competencies, I file a grade. If your work shows that you still need some work or some help or some improvement, you receive an incomplete. An incomplete will give you time to review and practice your skills. You can go back and review the concepts. You can try exercises on Burlington again as many times as you want. You can demonstrate your competencies. And you can pass both classes. So this really gives you an opportunity to always go back and succeed, because that's what we want for you. We want you to succeed. Now, is it possible to fail? Well, yes, you can fail one or both classes. If you don't do your work on Canvas, I'm not going to give you a passing grade. You're going to get a D or an F. And if you don't do your work on Burlington, I'm not going to give you a passing grade. You will get a D or an F. You must do your work. So then how do you succeed? It's simple. Do your work. Do your work on Canvas. Do your work on Burlington. Ask questions. Ask questions. Practice, practice, and practice. And when you're done, you guessed it, practice some more. That's all I have for you right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.